This creamy Romesco-style sauce is so versatile and is really easy to make too. It livens up cooked vegetables, tacos, and also works really well as a dip on its own too. With my time-saving tips, it comes together really quick and easy with no cooking, and all you have to do is put it in a blender. Stay tuned for an unusual but delicious use for this sauce, and also a really fantastic time-saving tip to help you at your next gathering. I've put a cup full of cashew nuts in a bowl and covered them with water, and I left them for 2 hours to soak while I just got on with the rest of my day. Now, as you can see here, I've now drained the cashew nuts, and they're also really nice and soft, so they're ready for us to start using in the blender. So we can start putting everything into the blender, and then literally this will be ready in under 5 minutes. So firstly, I'm going to add the cashew nuts. Just being really careful not to spill them everywhere. Okay, oh, there's one. Oh, there's another. Oh, there's a third one. So now I'm going to put in the grilled peppers that I got from a jar. This is one of the quick hacks, and also some sun-dried tomato as well. Now we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of water, some pepper, and some salt. This is smoked paprika. There you go. Which gives it a really lovely, rich and smoky flavour. I've also got some smoky chili flakes, and I'm literally just going to add a pinch of this. And that's because I like it sort of medium spicy. And we're just going to add now the garlic. Oops. And lastly, we have the red wine vinegar, I should say. So with this, if you don't have red wine vinegar, then obviously you can use white vinegar as well, but it just helps with the flavour. Okay, right. And now we're ready to make some noise. So thankfully the noise has now stopped. So I want to taste this, and I suggest you do the same, just to find out whether you need any more water or seasoning. Wow. So the flavour is really good, but it's a little bit on the thick side to what I'm going to be using it for today. But don't add any more water yet if yours is the same, because we're going to put it into a bowl, and then we're going to add just a tiny bit of water to this, put the lid back on, and then shake it, and then we'll get the last remnants of the romesco, because we don't want to waste any of it. Now you're going to mix the bits that are a little bit more watered down with the rest of the sauce. What I love about this is I just use this on so many different things. And if you're having a dinner party or having some people around for food, it just looks like you've made loads and loads of effort. And it is so super quick and easy. And that is our little secret. Now I've saved some of this back so I can have a little snack. And now for my unusual but delicious use of this sauce. Put it on your pasta. It makes a fantastic dish. And for my time-saving tip, get yourself an ice cube tray and spoon this sauce into the compartments, cover and put it in your freezer. And so the next time you need the sauce, you can defrost it and you don't have to make it from scratch. And all the details, as normal for this recipe, are below this video, as well as some suggestions about what you can use the sauce for.